Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Telegram. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Telegram application on your device. And if you haven't already signed up to your account, you will be asked to enter your phone number to continue signing up or logging in. Now, even if you don't have an account, you can use the same page and continue with your preferred phone number to sign up. Either select your country from the country section or simply enter your country code. Once your country has been selected, you can type in your phone number and then tap on the next button. You will then be asked whether this phone number is correct. Tap on the yes button to confirm it, and you will be asked to check your messages to get a confirmation code. So just check your inbox and fill in the authentication code, and you will now be signed up to your account on Telegram. And if you already have signed up before, you will be logged in right away. If this is the first time that you are signing up, then you will be allowed to create your profile and set up your username. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.